Little Tommy Conway has been shoveling the walkway, but the snow keeps falling all the same. And though it's only frosting, he finds the work exhausting and would rather play a snowball throwing game. Well, down on Main Street, Mayor Brewster takes a seat in Billy Higgins' barber chair. He's looking for a little trim, but Higgins isn't listening, and soon he finds he's short of hair up there. It's just like any ordinary town where the sun goes up and the sun goes down, except the sun is one big pumpkin pie instead, and everybody's made of gingerbread. Well, over at the skating pond, something weird is going on. The cookie trees have started disappearing. No one's there to see them go. There's just a hole there in the snow with crumbs left in the forest clearing. And late at night when the cold wind blows down from Mistletoe Mountain, hugging tight by the fireplace's glow, their gingerbread blessings they're counting. Any ordinary town where the sun goes up and the sun goes down, except the sun is one big pumpkin pie instead.